Present simple tense, learn in less than 5 minutes. Let me ask you something. Do you ever pause in the middle of a sentence thinking, is this grammar right? Or do you understand English, but freeze when it's your turn to speak? If yes, then today's lesson will change your English forever. Because if you master just one tense, present simple, you immediately sound clearer, more confident, and more natural. Let's begin. The present simple is the language of everyday life. It's how you talk about your habits, your routines, your likes, your dislikes, and the things that are always true. When you say, I wake up early, he reads books, they play football. That's present simple. It's the foundation of spoken English. And once you get this, the rest of English becomes much easier. Most students think present simple is easy, and that is exactly why they make mistakes. They ignore the small details, they forget the special rules, and they develop habits that become very hard to break later. So today we slow down, we understand everything, and we make it stick. The basic formula is simple. Subject plus base verb, I play. You work, we study, they read. No changes, no complications, just the verb in its simple form. The magic and the mistakes happen when we use he, she, and it. For he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. She plays, he goes, it rains. Think of it like this. He, she, it is special. Give it a gift, an S. Now repeat with me. She dances. He writes, it shines. Perfect. Now let's make it real. Repeat after me and speak confidently. Pause after each. I wake up at 7 every day. She works at an office. They walk to school. He watches cartoons at night. We study English after dinner. Excellent. This is how your fluency builds, one sentence at a time. To ask questions in the present simple, use do or does. Do you like tea? Do they work here? Do we have class today? And now the special one. Does he live near you? Does she speak French? Remember, in questions, the verb returns to the base form. We don't say does he likes, we say does he like? Negative sentences. For negative sentences, we use don't or doesn't. I don't like spicy food. They don't play cricket. She doesn't watch TV. He doesn't drive. Again, after doesn't, the verb stays simple. She doesn't likes. She doesn't like. Check your understanding. Let's test your brain. I'll say a sentence with a mistake. You correct it. He go to school. Pause. Correct. He goes to school. They doesn't like chocolate. Pause. Correct. They don't like chocolate. Does she plays guitar? Pause. Correct. Does she play guitar? Amazing, you're getting it. Now listen to a short story in present simple. This will help your understanding become natural. Every morning, Sarah wakes up at 6. She drinks a glass of water and checks her phone. Her brother sleeps late, but Sarah starts her day early. She goes to work by bus. She loves her job, and she meets many new people every day. Think about all the present simple sentences you heard. This is how English sounds in real life. When you master present simple, you can introduce yourself, talk about routines, talk about your family, ask questions, start conversations, speak without fear. This tense is not just grammar. It's your gateway to real English conversation. English becomes easy when you practice small things every day. Start with present simple, master it, use it, repeat it. Now write one present simple sentence in the comments. I'll personally respond. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for daily English lessons that actually work. Let's learn English together, one sentence at a time.